Dogecoin value expectation outline. Dogecoin cost figure proposes a chance of Doge exchanging between $0.1955 to $0.2347 in 2025, which basically in every practical sense is very critical. Dogecoin basically really is presently valued at $0.0930 on the lookout, in every practical sense, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking, which especially is very critical. Our Dogecoin essentially kind of long-haul gauge for 2050 recommends Doge possibly going somewhere in the range of $0.000002 and $0.000002 in a genuinely large manner, which is very critical. The sort of genuinely normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 in a real sense by and large is supposed to for the most part really be $0.0020, with essentially especially likely difference somewhere in the range of $0.0020 and $0.0023, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.000001 mark, showing how experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.000001 mark, which especially is genuinely huge. Starting around 23 December 2023, Dogecoin sort of most certainly is exchanging at $0.0930 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.16% in especially absolute most recent 60 minutes, certainly especially in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they basically thought. Doge in a real sense most certainly has a truly all-out market cap of $13,242,511,368, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $445,123,161 in a very extremely huge manner. This in every way that really matters, all things considered, makes Dogecoin, Doge, by and large for the most part positioning at 10 in the digital money market in an especially exceptionally significant manner and an unobtrusive manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically fundamentally is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2040, what will Dogecoin sort of be somewhat worth in 2040, or so they truly thought in a genuinely significant manner. Is Dogecoin a very wise venture or reasonably exceptionally worth purchasing in 2040, which sort of is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner? Will Doge cost very outperform its untouched sort of high in a fundamentally huge manner in an unpretentious way? These especially are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, or so they by and large thought, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2040. As per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Doge cost fundamentally for the most part is supposed to essentially fundamentally cross an essentially by and large normal value level of $0.0978. The normal kind of least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the especially lovely current year should sort of in every practical sense be $0.0885, pretty in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Dogecoin generally for the most part is at present evaluated at $0.0930 on the lookout, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking, which is very critical. Besides, Doge can especially arrive at a kind of by and large greatest value level of $0.1006, which in every practical sense generally is genuinely critical in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense is supposed to explicitly be at around an actually truly least of $0.0885, kind of truly further appearance how starting around 23 December 2023 Dogecoin in every way that really matters fundamentally is exchanging at $0.0930 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.16% in all things considered, very most recent 60 minutes, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost can fundamentally in a real sense arrive at a truly limit of $0.1006, with the very beautiful typical cost of $0.0978 in United States dollars, or so they especially thought, which is very critical. Dogecoin fundamentally especially passed value examination and for the most part beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially basically has been in a real sense explicitly diminished by 0.16% in its extremely kind of current worth in an unobtrusive manner and in every way that really matters, significant way. Assuming we generally truly look at the sort of essentially current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can for the most part by and large see that the market cap for the most part in a real sense is likewise down in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin explicitly is confronting a truly kind of tough time jumping aboard with actually fundamentally other crypto coins, or so they actually in a real sense thought. The Doge in every practical sense, especially is down to nearly 1.24% in the all things considered, most recent 7 days, showing how the fundamentally exceptionally normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 essentially really is supposed to explicitly be $0.0020 within every practical sense, especially which generally certainly is genuinely critical, which sort of is genuinely huge. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for commonly kind of past decently not very many days. The coin could quite have reasonably areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't actually really feel that it would a productive resource and certainly exceptionally present moment, so Dogecoin generally in a real sense is as of now estimated at $0.0930 on the lookout, entirely in spite of mainstream thinking, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value estimate 2040 facts. What will especially by and large be Dogecoin fundamentally worth in 2040, or so they basically really thought. The Doge cost truly is determined to for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.1006 with actually essentially least cost of $0.0885 toward the finish of 2040, exhibiting how Doge generally especially has a by and large kind of all-out market cap of $13,242,511,368 with the 24-hour exchanging really is very critical. Does Dogecoin by and large generally have a future, which actually for the most part is genuinely critical in a significant manner? As far as value, Dogecoin basically generally has an exceptional actually certainly potential to for the most part especially arrive at new levels, showing that the Doge cost for the most part explicitly is estimated to basically truly arrive at an extremely in every practical sense greatest degree of $0.1006 with most certainly least cost of $0.0885 toward the finish of 2040. Exhibiting how Doge truly generally has an in every way that really matters, especially all-out market cap of $13,242,511,368 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $445,123,161 in a decently huge manner, which truly is very. It sort of fundamentally is conjecture that Doge will increment in esteem, showing how this by and large in a real sense makes Dogecoin, Doge, essentially really positioning at 10 in the digital money market in an especially truly significant manner As per most certainly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Dogecoin